1. Asia. Largest continent, covers 60% of the world's population. Famous places: Great Wall of China, Taj Mahal, Mount Everest. Fun fact: home to the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest. 2. Africa. Second largest continent, known for its wildlife and deserts. Famous places: Sahara Desert, Nile River, Victoria Falls. Fun fact: Africa has the most countries, 54 in total. 3. North America. Third largest continent, full on natural wonders and big cities. Famous places: Statue of Liberty, Grand Canyon, Niagara Falls. Fun fact: home to the world's largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior. 4. South America. Fourth largest continent, famous for the Amazon rainforest. Famous places: Machu Picchu, Amazon River, Christ the Redeemer. Fun fact: the Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. 5. Antarctica. Coldest continent, covered with ice all year. Famous for penguins, glaciers, and icebergs. Fun fact: it's the only continent with no permanent human residence. 6. Europe. Small but historic, known for its history and culture. Famous places: Eiffel Tower, Colosseum, Buckingham Palace. Fun fact: Europe is home to 44 countries. 7. Australia. Smallest continent, also called Oceania. Famous places: Great Barrier Reef, Sydney Opera House, Uluru. Fun fact: home to unique animals like kangaroos and koalas.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.